Hello everyone, welcome to the Villa Chef. Today we'll be making a very tasty and rich smoked dal called Sultani Dal. Wash and soak all the dals together in water for about 1 hour. Pressure cook the dal for 2 whistles, adding 2.5 cups of water. Place a pan on medium flame and add oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and sauté for a few seconds. Then add the ginger garlic paste and continue to sauté for a few more seconds. Add the chopped onion and fry till the onions become pink and translucent, stirring regularly. This would take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Then add the chopped green chillies and tomatoes and mix well. Add the chilli powder, the turmeric powder and the salt and continue stirring. Add the chopped mint leaves, coriander leaves and sauté for about 7 to 8 minutes till the tomatoes and the masalas are cooked well and the oil separates out. Add the cooked dal into the masala mixture, mix well, cover and cook for about 5 minutes. If the dal has become too thick, you can add half a cup of hot water. Bring the dal to a boil. Now add the clove and cardamom powder and mix well. You can now taste the dal and add more salt if required, and also add more clove and cardamom powder according to your taste. Switch off the flame and mix together the yogurt and the milk and add this to the dal. This step is done with the flame off as there are chances that the milk might curdle. Continue stirring well. Once the milk and the curd has been mixed well into the dal, switch on the flame and cook till the dal is brought to a boil and turn off the flame. In the meantime, heat a piece of charcoal to red hot on the gas. Place a bowl or a foil shaped like a bowl into the pan over the dal. Place the burning coal into the bowl. Add ghee over the coal. Immediately cover and smoke for about 15 minutes. Once done, remove the coal from the dal, garnish with coriander leaves and enjoy the Sultani Dal with paratha or steaming white rice. You can find the full list of ingredients and the method in the description box below. Do like and subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you more interesting recipes from the world over. The Villa Chef signing out.